Hey everyone, it's Metastats and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of manufacturing, looking at the top 10 economies that are absolutely crushing it in the manufacturing game. We're talking massive factories, intricate supply chains, and products you use every single day. We're going to break down each country's manufacturing powerhouse status, what they're producing, and why it matters on a global scale. All right, let's jump right into it. Coming in at number 10, we have Belarus, a nation that might surprise you. They're clocking in at a respectable 23% of their GDP coming directly from manufacturing. Belarus has carved out their niche in the global market, and that niche is fertilizer. Their potash reserves, a key ingredient in fertilizer, are massive, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Belarus proves that sometimes specialization is key. They've taken one thing, fertilizer, and become a dominant force in that market. Next up at number 9, we've got Malaysia at 23% of GDP from manufacturing. Malaysia has quietly become a tech giant, especially when it comes to integrated circuits. Malaysia has attracted major electronics manufacturers from around the world, thanks to its skilled workforce and business-friendly environment. They're a prime example of how a country can strategically position itself in a booming industry and reap the rewards. Coming in at number 8, we have Vietnam, with a solid 24% of its GDP driven by manufacturing. Vietnam's top export? Broadcasting equipment. They're churning out televisions, radios, and communication devices at an astonishing rate. This is a testament to their ability to adapt to global demand and attract foreign investment in high-growth sectors. They're definitely a force to be reckoned with in the years to come. At number 7, we have South Korea, a country synonymous with innovation and high-tech manufacturing. With 24% of its GDP coming from manufacturing, South Korea is a global leader in consumer electronics, automobiles, and semiconductors. South Korea's success story is a combination of government support, relentless innovation, and a highly skilled workforce. They've shown the world that investing in research and development pays off, big time. Number 6 on our list is Haiti, with 24% of its GDP attributed to manufacturing. Haiti has faced its share of challenges, but its manufacturing sector, particularly in apparel, remains a significant contributor to its economy. Haiti has a long history of textile and apparel production, and it's a major supplier to brands you know and probably even wear. Haiti's story highlights the importance of sustainable and ethical manufacturing practices. Coming in at number 5, we have Thailand, where 25% of its GDP comes from manufacturing. Thailand has earned the nickname Detroit of the East for its massive automotive industry. They're a major production hub for global car manufacturers, churning out millions of vehicles each year. Thailand's also a key player in electronics, hard disk drives, and office machine parts. Thailand's success demonstrates the power of strategic partnerships and a focus on quality. At number 4, it's no surprise that we have China, with a whopping 26% of its GDP fueled by manufacturing. China's rise as a manufacturing superpower has been nothing short of phenomenal. They're leading the charge in 5G technology, producing the infrastructure and devices that are shaping the future of communication. They've mastered the art of scale, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. 3. Eswatini, the aromatic surprise. Coming in at number 3 is Eswatini, formerly known as Swaziland, with an impressive 28% of its GDP generated by manufacturing. Eswatini is a major producer and exporter of scented mixtures, used in perfumes, soaps, and other fragrant products. Eswatini's story is a reminder that even the smallest nations can make a big impact by focusing on their unique strengths. 2. Ireland, the pharmaceutical powerhouse. Number 2 on our list is Ireland, with a remarkable 34% of its GDP stemming from manufacturing. Ireland has transformed itself into a global hub for pharmaceuticals and medical devices. This has attracted major pharmaceutical companies to set up shop in Ireland, making it a global leader in the production of life-saving drugs. Ireland's journey is a testament to the power of strategic investment, a skilled workforce, and a commitment to innovation. 1. Puerto Rico, the unexpected champion. And now, for the number 1 spot, the country with the highest share of manufacturing in its GDP. Puerto Rico. That's right, coming in at a staggering 46%, Puerto Rico might come as a surprise, but they're a manufacturing powerhouse. Puerto Rico has a long and storied history with manufacturing, and today, they're a major player in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and electronics. Their success is a testament to the power of specialization, innovation, and a strategic location. The future of manufacturing. So there you have it, the top 10 economies by manufacturing share of GDP. From fertilizer and broadcasting equipment to pharmaceuticals and scented mixtures, these countries are shaping the global economy and producing the goods we rely on every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.